Yo, what is going on, everyone in the XRP community? Hope you guys are having yourselves a fantastic day today as usual. Before you do anything, make sure to smash that like button, because today we are covering the 6th largest cryptocurrency in the world, XRP, of 3.31% on the day. Again, not life-changing, but we are moving towards that way. Look, all-time the XRP line chart. Did fucking nothing forever, 100,000%, doing nothing forever. Beginning the next cycle, ready to get that next 100,000%. Overall cryptocurrency market doing very well today. Today's move has pretty much been sponsored by Bitcoin, moving so sharp today. I've been staring at the 1 minute chart for like the last 3 hours, man. This 15-minute chart has been an absolute monster. Clearly a move by the whales. That's the thing, man. Moves like this, you can't even predict this kind of shit. I mean, you could see general uptrend building up to resistance, but that doesn't guarantee this to happen, but it ended up happening and looking fucking good. The Bitcoin weekly chart, I gotta say, I'm getting really impressed here with this demand bounce. And guys, Bitcoin is definitely heading back to all-time highs. Don't even own this coin, but I am incredibly bullish on this thing, dude. It's fucking doing the similar thing that XRP is doing on the weekly chart, coming back down to local demand, getting that weekly double bottom, looking to get to all-time highs. If Bitcoin goes back to all-time highs, I shit you not, XRP is going to do the same thing. If we can get that settlement perfectly timed, you guys already know what's going to happen to the XRP price. Let's look at the XRP charts on BitMEX over here. Weekly chart, again, similar thing as Bitcoin, above previous highs, double bottom on the weekly. Bullish confirmation, guys. We're looking for XRP to hit around $1.30, $1.25, $1.80 range in the next week or so. I am not even kidding. All right, guys. Got a lot of stuff to go over today. Let's go ahead and get into it. This is going to be the first video for today. Going to make a second one about a theory that I have that I'm coming up with. And then we're going to begin a live stream going for the late night pump stream. Might stream for about an hour, 2, 3, depending on what the price does. All right, guys. First piece of little information today. This is a paper that came out from Australia. Australia takes major step towards crypto and digital asset regulations. The paper also specifically named Ripple's XRP as a unique cryptocurrency, as it was one of the first designed primarily for payments, in contrast to most other crypto assets, which were labeled as speculative stores of value. That's the big thing that separates XRP from other leading cryptocurrencies, is that it's not meant to be just this magical store of value, but actually meant to have immense global utility that will create its own store of value, essentially, because when liquidity is booming, that's what's going to be the value. Okay. Next one from Rathacon. This guy posts a lot of good stuff on dude, I promise you I was following this guy. Twitter randomly makes you unfollow people. Really weird. Good to see the sustainability report by Ripple partner Alhi Bank, dated 2020, but only recently uploaded. So this was from 2020, but just recently actually uploaded. So it is new information. Notes the use and progress of Ripple and XRP. Note they distinguish between Ripple and XRP use here. They also report positive results. Here they describe XRP Ripple system as in phase 2. Is there a phase 3? Regardless, they found it faster, conserving resources and time. And now it's just redundant. The scope of Ripple XRP implementation is for ABK Kuwait and ABK United Arab Emirates core customers only. Many other initiatives also listed. Great stuff. Got another one. The Finance Lab newsletter India notes that cryptocurrency will not take over cash, but Ripple XRP has found some remittance success. So they're basically saying, like, look, it's not going to replace fiat currency. The whole goal of Bitcoin, the whole purpose of it was to essentially replace cash, but they are saying they do not believe any cryptocurrency is going to overtake cash, but Ripple XRP is going to be very good in the remittance sector in being the bridge between all the cash. Like, I don't think government currencies are going away. I don't think they're ever going to go away. There's just already too much investment and liquidity and, psychological trust, in them. Like, I'm not saying people trust fiat currency necessarily, but it's almost like it's too big to fail. Like, of course, they're going to lose a lot of value, but I believe no matter what happens, like if the U.S. dollar, completely collapses in value, I believe they're going to do the same thing that Mexico did in around the 1980s. So what happened in Mexico was that the peso became nearly worthless, and they basically had a new rule that said, okay, I believe it was a 100 of the old peso equals 1 new peso. They're just going to do that same thing over again and then, develop CBDCs to represent cash on the blockchain. So they're admitting, hey, like, not going to overtake cash, but will have success in the remittance sector. This is something I've already shown you guys before, but I just want to show it again. I know this guy posted it, but this is actually from a guy named XRP Crypto Bull on Twitter. It's the symmetrical triangle, 100,000% breakout, bear market, symmetrical triangle again, $13 breakout. Guys, best believe it is coming. Let's go ahead and let's actually get to some legit XRP gigantic charts. Let me make sure to double check I am actually recording still. Okay, we are still recording. But XRP on the 1 minute chart here. Oh my God, Bitstamp, what happened to your liquidity? I don't even know, man. But if you want to get on these like 4-hour charts right here, XRP is just, these last few weeks have been building a really, really solid trend of higher lows, and it is coming to peak at this resistance level right here. That's the 4-hour chart. Run over to the daily. It's the same kind of thing as the 4-hour chart, but just more, zoomed out perspective. But again, the biggest thing I'm looking at for XRP is this weekly chart. The biggest resistance created by the 2018 bear market, dude, it's been flipped into support. Thing has literally been flipped into support. This recent run right here destroyed every single resistance created by the 2018 bear market except for the all-time high. And now, oh my God, look at this fucking thing. Getting that nice weekly close above previous high, and we have a shit ton of gap right here and right here that the market's going to have to come fill. One thing I learned in my trading journey is the market is always going to move to fill gaps. That's just the way it goes. That's where the liquidity is sitting. It's what the market does. And now the gaps are up here. And oh my God, we're going to get this breakout. We got this nice little downtrend going on here. As soon as we pop above this line, bro, it is fucking game on. And that double-digit XRP is going to be on the way. I know it's been a super long, stressful, anxious journey, but those who held through all of this boring shit right here, look at what they're rewarded with. We're going to get that same thing exactly again right here. And it is just priming itself, guys. It's just priming itself for that major burst upward. The bears are going to get destroyed. Roll over to the XRP monthly chart. Kind of another theory I have here is the mega legendary cup and handle breakout, right? Nice little cup of tea there. And then the handle is actually quite important because it's the falling wedge. It's the descending wedge, which is fucking bullish as hell. Converging price action to the downside. It's fucking squeezing itself super hard right now between two resistance levels. And that, bro, that momentum is just going to pop, bro. Like, I can already see this year XRP easily going to double digits, and we're going to set record in the XRP community history. And guys, I cannot wait for it because on the macro charts for XRP, everything is lining up perfectly. This cup and handle, I never expected the handle to actually be a falling wedge. Incredibly bullish. If you want to get super, oh my God. Oh my God. If you want to get incredibly OCD with the trend lines, if we're going to go completely candle closes, holy shit, guys. We're going to put some perspective on this right here. This is getting completely OCD with the trend lines. Look at how close we are to breaking out. Oh my God. Oh my God, people. Guys, look at how close this is to fucking breaking out. We are easily looking at that $12 XRP right there, guys. This is just absolutely crazy. Look at this. The handle is nearly done. The handle is nearly done. If we're going completely on the candle close touch points on the monthly chart, look at this. Guys, you realize we pop up to $1 coin. That's our ticket to the double-digit zone. This is absolutely crazy. I cannot believe this. Guys, it's been one hell of a journey, but I can honestly say we are so close to the moment we have all been waiting for. See, holding through this was tough, but the biggest challenge, the biggest problem XRP holders are going to have in the near future is like, dude, how much am I supposed to sell up here? How much am I supposed to sell up here? You know, like we thought this was difficult, right? We thought the bear market and dumping was stressful. But what's even more stressful, I mean, a good problem to have is like, oh my God, how much do we sell? How much do we sell? I'll tell you guys right now, as soon as XRP gets to $9, I just have to pull like 15%. I have to. It's like I've been, you know, talking with myself in my head for a long time about this, and I know people are like, oh my God, no, $9, way too early, but I have so much PTSD from having unrealized gains and not taking the profit. When XRP is almost double digits, the reason why I'm going to take 10, 15% here is because if it's going to be almost double digits, that's the point where traders are going to start to get emotional. Everyone's eyes are going to be on the chart. They're going to be waiting for that first digit change at $10 and start selling. So again, I don't really want to sell XRP at $9, but I just got to do 10, 15%. You know, been waiting 4 fucking years. Got to take some money off the table. But $9 is where it's like, okay, 15%. I have to take it just for like damage control. You know, like because we don't know what's gonna happen up here, right? When we enter price discovery mode, when you're looking left and there's no data, bro, it's pretty much a gamble. Like obviously XRP, the momentum's going to be so strong. It's probably my like honest end, like, you know, peak bull market targets. Like I know a lot of people are saying like, you know, a couple $100, but me, I'm being a little more conservative. I'm kind of more like $60, $70. But when you're looking left and it's never been here before, that's where you're getting into some dicey territory. So I'm going to have to take 15% off the table for myself. But guys, I am so fucking excited for the future of XRP. I cannot wait for it. And thank you guys so much for tuning in the video today. Really do appreciate it. Great day in the cryptocurrency space. Nice to see a sea of green across the board amid many, many, many global events such as, you know, the pandemic, fucking Russia invading Ukraine, fiat currencies crashing, gold booming, oil booming. We are in definitely some historical times, and it just feels like the right time for crypto to surge. And Bitcoin, guys, I don't even own any, but it's gotta be going back to all-time high. I am a wholehearted believer in 100K Bitcoin, although I do not own it, but it's gotta be going back to all-time high. It has to be. All right, guys, and one last little piece of information for today. If I head over to my Twitter account real quick. Oh, yeah, by the way, guys, if you're still storing all your XRP online, please, link in the description, Ledger Nano S. It's $50, I know, but look, $50 to ensure the future, you know, value of your assets that could be worth millions. That is very, very cheap one-time payment insurance. Just please, please get offline. I had someone in the reply section saying like, oh, what if, like, really only if I have 2,000 XRP I need to do this? It's like, dude, yes. You don't realize like how valuable this could become. This could like become so fast. Next thing, Justin, ETH founder Vitalik Buterin says that ETH fees are a huge problem for Ethereum's usability. May I suggest XRP, sir? All right, guys. Thank you for tuning in the video today. I am going to be doing a live stream pretty soon here. I hope we don't crash the price too much, but I feel like the momentum is so strong, we're not going to have to worry about it. If you want to look at some more micro charts here, head over to Binance, which has got the most liquidity right now. XRP is already essentially broken out. I mean, I've seen some charts on Twitter. I believe it was the 4-hour chart. Dude, what chart was it? I've been seeing this chart on Twitter, and it was basically like, dude, XRP has already broken out. I can't remember what time frame it was, but it was like, I believe it was this right here, maybe? And it was like, the Twitter post was made right there, and it's like, dude, XRP's already broken out. So, all right, guys. Thank you for tuning in the video today. Make sure you smash the likes and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next one.